Have you ever wondered where is the coldest place in the universe? The coldest place in the universe we observe in the world more than 3 times from the cold record cold. Humanity is very interested in space for decades. Although we have managed to go to the celestial bodies around US manned or unmanned space, yet the steps we have taken, the first steps of babies, can't go into the future. The size of the space very inadequate in the face of humanity. This huge area with telescopes that can observe billions of light years away is trying to indicate. Ready. Unlike last year in the winter months, warm weather during these periods of the question came in our mind. What's the coldest place in the universe? Located in the constellation Centaurus, the Boomerang Nebula in the universe, what we've observed so far, the coldest place. Dying red giant star in the center of the Boomerang Nebula is composed of ionized dust and stones. The Boomerang Nebula, a planetary nebula located in the center of which is relatively young, dying stars, the combustion of the gas emitting intense ultraviolet radiation, and causes it to produce colored light. While you're at it, in fact, it sheds its outer layers. Which is the coldest place in the universe is the Boomerang Nebula, -272 degrees Celsius. This value is absolute zero, -273 degrees Celsius from just 1 degree warmer. Record this temperature in degrees Celsius -93, to Antarctica recorded a temperature more than 3 times. Nebulae, fog, which is also the image of gases, at 164 per second miles from the stellar core is going out. This is thanks to the high speed of the nebula also is expanding very rapidly, and this rapid expansion of the main cause of low temperature, it is stated that. So very fast winds and wind output in the form of peaks in gas rapidly expands as the temperature of the cosmic acts like a refrigerator that allows you to drop significantly. The star actually has many similarities with our sun here. Our sun will turn into a star, shed its outer layers at the end of life. Because of the cold, but around the star, the mass of other similar stars 100 times faster than it is losing. Even considering that the rest of the Big Bang -274 degrees Celsius, we have observed Evrendeck Boomerang Nebula, the coldest place I have to say that we can.